The light's not green yet. Where are you going?
I'm fucking riding now. What you say?
How are you gonna jam to other people's radios?
Because mine got stolen.
Oh shit.
Look at this one.
You
Oh,
know? Doing what? Jamming other people's radios. We're about to explode. Alright. Whatever you say. Okay. I believe you, kinda. A little bit.
I should have got $45 for gas.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't